Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded anything, but I wanted to show you all the PR packages that I've received during the time that I have not posted. So let's get started. So the first item that we have is from Revlon. It's actually two items. And it comes with this. So we have the Revlon Color Stay Lengthening Mascara, and then the Color Stay Multiplayer Liquid Guide Eye Pencil. Now, I think this eye pencil is really cute because you draw it on and then you kind of like smudge it in, and I think it makes for the perfect like smoky eye if that's what you're going for, and I think that's very cute. So this is it in its packaging. Okay. And this is the eye pencil. So I'm gonna open both for you guys on camera so you can see how good it looks. You guys know I am horrible with opening these packages, but this is how it looks. I think that this would be good for probably like an everyday wear, like even to like work. This is the brush for it. See, I'm gonna just do a little right here so you guys can see the pigment. This is in the shade Blackest Black, and it's very dark, and I actually really like that because for me, I like for it to be very dark. Some people only do black, but I usually get the darkest one that's available, so I'm really happy about that. But it's good, and it rubbed off pretty easy. I'm not sure if they said, let me see how long it lasts or anything like that. Okay, up to 24-hour wear. So yeah, definitely give it a try, guys. And then the other one is the eye pencil, and it's in the color 406, which is the Queen of Hearts. I think that's the name is really cute. I just wanted to show you guys like how this color looks on dark skin. So here we are. Listen, on your eye, like this is gonna be so cute. I actually cannot wait to put it on. That gets a 10 out of 10 for me. As long as it lasts really well, that'll be great. So the next one we have is this Finish Powerball. It's the ultimate clean and shine. As you can see, I have already been using this product. I literally don't even have the box, but I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I absolutely love it for my dishwasher. These are the pods. They're so good. Like basically this formula makes it so that you don't have to rinse before you put the dishes in the dishwasher, and that's exactly what I need as a busy college student on the go. I just want to put the dishes in the dishwasher and not have to think about it. So I love them. I would definitely say go get it. This is what they sent it with for Influenster. And it says, still struggling with the dried on and burnt on stains, not anymore. So that was their, you know, a lot of people always complain about having to rinse the dishes before putting it in the dishwasher. And I think that this was their resolution to that. And they also sent this scrubbing power, degreasing power, and then shining. So there it goes. It's supposed to get the toughest stains out, and when I say it is right in time for the holiday season, I'm super excited. So the next one we have is the YSL Myself. Okay, guys, I have been seeing it for the longest time. I know I had said it before when they sent me like the lip balm, but I have been waiting for them to send cologne, perfume. Like I've been waiting to get on that list, and finally they sent my boyfriend, this is a men's cologne, the YSL Myself, and we absolutely love it. This is what they sent it with. We actually got it before it even hit the store. So when I was like looking for it online, I didn't see anything. It wasn't even available for purchase, but I was so glad that they sent it to us to be able to try. So the notes are like warm woods, bright and fresh accord, and orange blossom. And I think that's great, especially for like a man. It's definitely not a sweet smell, but it's something nice for the men. The price point is on the higher end, maybe about like $150, $160, but I feel like this is worth it. This is not a cologne you're gonna wear on like a daily basis, but like a cute date night or something like that, we can absolutely, like, you can have your man put this on. What I'm actually thinking about doing is a separate fragrance review, so we can really talk about the notes and everything like that, because I know a lot of people have been wondering the opinions about the YSL Myself, and I might even ask my boyfriend to like chime in and let us know as a man what he thinks about it. But I absolutely love it. Let me take it out of the bottle. You see, there we go. I also don't have the box for this one, don't judge me, but it's super cute, super sleek, very manly. They love a good black bottle, but yeah. And I'm taking another like sniff right now, like smell, and I love it. I absolutely love it. My boyfriend loves it as well. So the next one I'm very excited about. This is like probably my favorite out of all of today's PR packaging. It is the YSL Libre. This is the brand new one. So it's not the original one, and that's what I love. But you see, they say they have the original and then the new absolute. I don't want to butcher the word, but this is, I'm really excited to get it. I actually don't have the original Libre, but I feel like now that I received this, I need something to compare it to. So maybe I'll even just get a sample so I can tell you guys what the difference is between each one. Sorry, I'm getting a lot of flashbacks from this one. But we're gonna open it together. Okay, again, it's very, very, very cute. And I think they sent my boyfriend for that other one. It was the 3 ounce. This is the 1.6 ounce, just to be clear. But it's actually, even though this is the 1.6 ounce, look at that. So beautiful. It's like almost like iridescent in person. So cute. And we're gonna, this is, you saw the bottle wasn't even open, so we're gonna take a smell of this together. But what I was gonna say about this is that it's actually more expensive than the cologne, the 3.3 ounce YSL Myself. So, and that's probably why they sent this bottle instead of the bigger one. I think this one comes closer to $200, but I mean, she's beautiful, you know. And clearly the notes are probably different. On this paper, it doesn't tell you the notes, but we're gonna try to see if we can guess. gonna mix it in. I'm gonna let it, you know, simmer for a second, and then I'll give my opinion. Because sometimes it takes a while for it to like settle into your skin. I like it. It's soft, but for some people, they may feel like it's stronger for them, because I will say it's not very sweet. It's not a very sweet perfume, but it's one that you can wear to like work or something like that. I definitely get a floral smell from it, but also like a fresh scent. I think it's great. I would recommend it. I do think it's for a more mature audience, so I would definitely not say like a teenager. Definitely like 25 and up for me personally, I think, because when you're younger, you kind of like the sweet smell and everything like that. So I would not say this is necessarily for like a teenager or a very like young adult, but someone that's a little bit more mature, like getting or goes into the workplace, you know, definitely. But I like it, and I rate it a 5 out of 5. I like it. So let's move on to the next product. Okay guys, this is the last PR package of the day, and it's from Charlotte Tilbury. I absolutely love all of their products. Like anything they've sent me, I've never had anything that I did not like. So I'm very excited about this foundation. I know I always have trouble opening everything, but this is it. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter foundation. And it says that it blurs, smooths, and illuminates for the best glow of your life. Okay. And then they're showing their range. To be very honest, to be very fair, from what they're showing right here, it's not a whole bunch of shades, but I do think they did touch on some darker skin tones. So this is it. It is the 1 ounce bottle, and I got the color Deep. Okay, and so this is the number 7. So what I want to do is just open it and show you guys what this color looks like on dark skin, because everybody's always trying to find their color. So I like that it's applicated like this. I think that's cute. Okay, I'm only gonna put like, what's that? Let me see. Like this is like a little spot or something. Let's see if it covers. So I'm just gonna rub it in. You know, with some of these, you have to really rub it in to see like if it meshes well with you or. Okay, right away, I would say, okay, if you see, it's like really dewy. It's like this is the type of foundation you want to wear when you're going to a beach and you want to look glowy and you want to take pictures, but you want to keep it light. It's definitely, to me, it's not heavy coverage. It's not heavy coverage at all, but it's like, this is for a special occasion. You're not gonna wear this every day, right? Like you're not gonna wear it to work. You're gonna wear it when you're going out, you're taking pictures, the lighting is gonna be hitting you a certain way. But I like this. It almost has like a shimmer in it. And I cannot wait to apply it all over the face for my upcoming trip. I'm gonna have to show you guys some pictures. I never show you guys pictures. But this is gonna be a staple. This is gonna be a staple. I absolutely love it. And what I will say, I thought it was a little light going on, but when you blend it out, it's not. It's not like you can't even, you know, it's not like chalky or anything like that. Charlotte, yeah, this is good. Honestly, like I said, they have never sent me a bad product. I'm so glad to be in this position to be receiving PR from these companies. And I encourage you guys to do the same, because all you have to do is sign up for Influenster. I tell you guys this all the time. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.